Oh, God. Jesus. I'm scared.
Look at him. Oh, now they're starting to... You maybe should just like honk the horn or maybe just start moving just very slowly or something.
Well, there's one right behind me and there's...
Yeah, they're all over the car. Okay. Oh, not okay. Kind of taking their turns.
But if I move, is he gonna ram me or what?
I don't know. You can just feel the back one where they're looking in the back.
Okay, dudes, move. God, comes another one.
I think, oh, here comes a great big old bull. I think we should just start moving just very slowly toward the, just very slowly ahead. Yeah, they're gonna start fighting over it. See, look at he's pawing. Okay, we need to get out of here. Yeah, they're gonna be taking over here. So we need to just go real slow and see if we can move out of here. They're gonna be... Oh, he's pawing too. See, they're mad. They want that salt. There, let's just move. Just move. Yeah, he'll move. Yeah, just keep going. Just slow, slow, slow. Before they come up ahead again. Yeah, just keep going. They'll go around it.
Okay.
Yeah, because they're gonna... Okay, now, go.
Good Lord. Was enough of them.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get the... I want to get a couple good ones too. That.
Oh, that wasn't good enough?
I mean...
Jesus.
Oh, I think
My heart's beating kind of fast right now.
Yeah, I don't think... I mean, they were getting... They could roll this thing over if they felt like it.
Oh.